today I'm reviewing the Beekman Bloom Cream Daily Probiotic Moisturizer. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time sponsoring ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so a lot of you guys have asked me to review this one, so finally getting a chance to. I've tried quite a few products from them, and anyway, so let's get to it. Okay, so they call this their #1 best-selling daily moisturizer that goes beyond the glow to make your skin bloom. Feed your living skin's microbiome with a shot of our unique probiotic complex to restore healthy, youthful radiance and see your skin in full bloom. This elegant, lightweight formula is designed to work on all skin types and literally blooms out of the bottle with every pump. So you can see the creative. See, that's what they've done with this. Do you see it? It blooms. Hang on. Duh, look at that. Look at the flowers bloom. Okay. You're not going to be able to see it, but whatever. It's creative. So, I give them the point for that. Okay, so packaging. No real issues with the packaging, although it's not foolproof. It is kind of, tends to get stuck. Sometimes it's hard to get the most accurate amount out, and sometimes you overpump it and then more comes out than what you need. So, the packaging needs a little fine-tuning, but it is creative. Although, when I read reviews of it online, the biggest complaint people had with it was the packaging, because it just doesn't come out easily. So, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free, so great for sensitive skin. Manufactured in U.S., so no issues with that. So ease of use, so I recommend using it morning and night on freshly cleansed skin, although I recommend using it after toning, serums, essences, treatments, towards the end of your routine. So no issues with that, although I find the texture of this, it's just a little watery. Like sometimes when it gets on your skin, it just tends to like evaporate almost and turn like into like just a little more liquid than I would prefer. So it's just requires a little bit of finesse to apply and not have it feel totally like it goes from like a cream to like almost like a liquid. It's a little strange. So it does smooth over skin pretty easily. Usually doesn't pill with anything, although with a few other certain serums that are thicker, it can pill a little bit, but it's not a huge issue. I found I like to do this in my evening routine as opposed to my daytime routine because I just didn't find it worked well with all sunscreens. So the ease of use with it, it's a little fussy, especially with the packaging. So there we go with that. You can certainly use it morning and evening routine, but it does tend to be a little bit shiny or radiant finish. That's not sticky. So, okay, so let's get to the beneficial ingredients in this one. So, right off the bat, we've got coconut alkanes and emollient. It's a little different than coconut oil or things like that. We've got goat milk, which is an interesting ingredient. Skin conditioning ingredients, hydrating ingredient. Goat milk is comprised naturally of good enzymes as well as lactic acid. Also contains good fatty acids as well as proteins. It's also a good source of vitamins A and B. Goat milk is wonderful. I have a friend who I met through YouTube, Carrie. She has several goat milk products that she loves, and she sent them to me to try, and I really love them. So I've really fallen in love with goat milk because it just is so hydrating. Also, I found it helps a little bit with skin firmness and wrinkles as well. So it's really a great ingredient, well worth trying. So I think some people must have goat farms where they make these products out of. It's really amazing. So okay, next up we've got an ingredient called Colostrum, which I've not heard of before. However, it's not a rare ingredient. It is a skin conditioning and skin protecting ingredient that's a naturally occurring substance. It's the fluid secreted by the mammary glands after the birth of an animal. I have no idea how they collect this. I don't want to know. It's weird. I've never seen an ingredient, but when I read more information about it, it's not rare. I just haven't seen it before. So, interesting. Yeah, they must have a farm where I don't know. Whatever. I'm going to stop the thought process right there. But it's good for your skin, so, yeah. Definitely not a vegan product, though. Okay, next up we've got Bifida Ferment Lysate, which is a probiotic and skin protecting ingredient. Also has helped with DNA repair. We've got Lactose, which is an emollient. Then we've got milk protein, skin conditioning and hydrating ingredient. We've got aloe, soothing, hydrating, anti-inflammatory ingredient. We've got honey, antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, soothing, hydrating ingredient. We've got blue thistle, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. We've got cucumber, soothing, hydrating ingredient. Chamomile, soothing, antioxidant. We've got comfrey, which is skin conditioning ingredient. Sunflower seed oil, emollient, skin barrier protecting. Niacinamide, anti-acne, skin barrier repair, antioxidant, brightening ingredient. We've got whey protein, cell communicating ingredient, protein fragments, growth factors derived from milk. Firming also helps with fine lines and wrinkles. We've got gluconolactone, which is a PHA ingredient. It helps with gentle exfoliation as well as hydration and is also a good antioxidant. We've got calcium gluconate, which is a hydrating ingredient. Vitamin E, antioxidant, hydrating. And then finally, lecithin, which is an emollient. There we go. Long ingredient list, lots of milk, lactose, proteins, good ingredients. So very nice list, unless you're vegan. So I'm not exactly sure how I feel about that colostrum, but I don't know. I don't want to read any more about it, really. Although I will, because that's what I do. Okay, in terms of animal testing, Beekman is cruelty-free. Certainly not vegan, but no issues with the cruelty-free. In terms of performance, it's really nicely hydrating. Plays well with most other products I use it with, although it's a little fussy to use. In the long run, it leaves my skin feeling soft and hydrated. To be honest, with this one, I haven't noticed any help with fine lines or firmness. The nice thing is for acne-prone skin, there's only one ingredient of note, and that's vitamin E. So there we go. Price. Okay, so I got this during Ulta's Love Your Skin sale about 4 months ago. I think they do it a few times a year. Not this most recent one, but the one before that. So I got it for half off. And it retails normally for $54 for 1.7 ounces or 50 milliliters. So the regular price of this one is expensive. For $10 more, you can get the Proteini. But for half off, I think it's a good deal. For $54, I probably wouldn't pay for it regular price. That's just me, because I'm cheap like that. Then we get to the it factor. Really like it. It's a good moisturizer. It's pricey. Does have some issues with the packaging, which could use some fine-tuning. Good ingredient list. Great for most skin types, including sensitive, dry, acne-prone. Love that it's fragrance-free, so it's got a lot going for it. So overall, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. It's got a lot to like. It's got a few issues, but overall, you know, if you can get it for half off, it's a good deal. Full price, I don't know. Might try a sample first if you can. But anyway, those are my thoughts. Interested hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, so leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.